if I told you that you can convert your low quality audio to a high quality professional audio just like this? Yeah, you heard me right. You can convert your low quality background voice into something like this without needing to buy a $300 microphone. The first step you're going to do is head over to podcast.adobe.com. Now, after you're here, click Enhance Voice Speech. And you can sign up with these much social accounts. I'm going to sign up with my Gmail account. Now, after you sign up, you might appear to this page. Now, let's see an example of this girl talking in her backyard.
Hey, Harmony here with the Adobe Podcast team. I'm here in my backyard and we've got a little bit of street noise, some birds chirping, and
Now, as you can see, there's a lot of background noises and the street noises from the video. Now let's see the enhanced voice result.
hey, Harmony here with the Adobe Podcast team. I'm here in my backyard and we've got a little bit of street noise, some
Now, as you can see, it cuts out the background noises and the street noises as well. So you're gonna delete the sample and you're gonna click choose file and choose your required file. Now wait for it to upload your file, process your file, and show it to you. Now as you can see, it is enhanced. Now you can compare between your original and enhanced. After you're good with your audio, you can adjust these because you need to be pro with Adobe, but you don't need to be pro if you're just starting out. And after you're okay with everything, click download, and your audio file will be downloaded to your computer. So this is how you enhance your voice in Adobe Podcast.